Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a discount code in this Squarespace. So let's get started. First of all, go on your Squarespace. Once you are in, you have to click on this commerce. And then you have to go on the discounts. Now you have to click on this plus icon. And here you have to add the name of that discount. Next you have to add the trigger like discount code or automatic code. Next you have to add the promotion, percent off, account off, and fulfill all the requirements that are required. Once you're done with it, you have to save it. So yeah, this is how you can make a discount code in this Squarespace.